are starting with a big breaking news. The news of an Aam Aadmi Party MLA's son. Yes, you heard me right. This is Amanatullah Khan's son, Anas Khan, who was caught on camera misbehaving with the Delhi police officials after being flagged down for using a modified silencer and also speeding through Batla House. Known for his unruly behavior, Anas threatened the officers, boasting about his MLA son status despite his high-handed attitude. He was booked under the Motor Vehicles Act for violating rules. His defiant behavior marks another instance of his arrogance which has been on display earlier as well, and the utter disregard which he shows for the law. There you can see on the visuals, that visual also of the Aam Aadmi Party MLA's son misbehaving with the cops.
मैं अपनी लाइबिलिटी पे ये बाइक
कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप?
देखिए, इन दोनों ये केस है, इसमें सीबीआई से भी
के तहत आप मेरे को गिरफ्तार कर रहे हो, मोटर व्हीकल एक्ट के तहत मेरे को गिरफ्तार कर रहे हो। ये बता, चालान करूंगा मोटर व्हीकल चालान के खिलाफ आप मेरे को गिरफ्तार, मैं कह रहा हूँ मैं नहीं रहूंगा। मत जाओ, नहीं जा रहे ना? नहीं जा रहे ना? ठीक है, बाइक ले जा रहा हूँ। बाइक ले बाइक ले तो चल। आप मेरे को पहले यहीं पे मेरे को एक रिसीविंग दो। मैं SHO साहब बना ले, SHO साहब बताओ तू चल लेना। मैं अपनी लाइबिलिटी भाई आप बना बोलो। हाँ, मैं बना रहा हूँ, तू लेके आप मेरे को ये बोलो। मैं अपनी लाइबिलिटी पे ये बाइक सीज कर रहा हूँ। मैं सीज कर रहा हूँ, मैं सीज करूँगा, सीज वहाँ पर चल, मैं सीज करके मैं दूंगा, मैं करूँगा ना सीज। चलो चल तू चलना। अरे मैं लगाऊँ और तू चलना, मैं लगाऊंगा ना धारा, फिर तू मत ले। मेरी बाइक नहीं है, किसकी बाइक नहीं बता रहा, किसी की है। ये मेरी बाइक नहीं है, ये यहाँ पे मेरी बाइक चोरी हो रही है। 100 नंबर कॉल, किसी की भी बाइक ले जा रहा ना, किसी की बाइक ले जा रहा, करने दे चल।
My colleague Priyank is joining us live on the broadcast. Priyank, we just saw Amanatullah's son misbehaving with the Delhi cops. Amanatullah's son openly threatening the police officials, flaunting his MLA son status. Cops have now booked him for using a modified silencer. Help us understand this entire sequence first of all, and what led to this high-handedness, and post that, was there any crackdown, any action on the same by the cops?
Meenakshi, Amanatullah's son, Anas, was earlier also booked by the Noida police for a case of assault on the petrol pump station officials in Noida. And that was because he started abusing him and he was beating them. Yesterday, while the Delhi police was on the patrol because of the election sensitive time period, they spotted a biker coming out rashly and he was driving in a zigzag manner. The bike also was making too much of noise because it had modified silencer. When the police officers stopped him, again, Neta ka beta hu and MLA ka beta hu attitude came out from Amanat. But when the Delhi police knew that, when the Delhi police got to know that Amanat's son was also recording this particular incident, and he was calling them as a thief because those thieves were taking a motorcycle and he was instructing his friends to record the video. It was bound for the Delhi police also today in the day and time that they also had to record this unfortunate incident where they were being, threatened of fire by Amanatullah's son. But the station house officer, senior officer from the concerned police station was himself there. So he did not come under pressure, and later on he also stated that if you show me the license, I will allow you to go. But Amanat's son did not agree to that. He said that मैं MLA का बेटा हूँ, मेरा कोई चालान नहीं कर सकता, so I'm MLA son, no one can चालान me. Attitude was subtly pushed by the Delhi police, and now they have booked him under the sections of Motor Vehicle Act. The vehicle has been impounded. It can be released once the penalty and the challan can be paid, which could be approximately around 10,000
You're right, Priyank, and this is the shocking attitude, which you are highlighting. Neta ka beta hu, I don't need any RC, I don't need any license, you can't stop me. This is the high-handedness which obviously has led to this sort of outrage. Why don't you stay with us, Priyank? Because there's a lot of war of words, politics also, which has broken out over the incident. Now, after Aam Aadmi Party MLA son's arrogance, which you just saw, viewers on camera, the BJP has hit out at Arvind Kejriwal. They have put onus basically on the Aam Aadmi Party, and they have basically, hit out at they have hit out at Kejriwal. They have said that as far as Kejriwal is concerned, they have given a free hand to their MLAs. Just listening to what okay, Amita is joining us live on the broadcast. Amita, has that post by BJP's Amit Malviya? Amita, over to you. Take us through what Amit Malviya of the BJP had to say.
Yeah, well, chalan to kata after all, Meenakshi, if we talk about, because this is what the mindset as far as BJP's Amit Malviya seems to be saying, talking about Amanatullah Khan and his son's behavior, especially when it comes to breaking the rules and thereafter arguing with the police. However, this was a clear display of VVIP arrogance and mindset at what has now been pointed out in this incident, where BJP's Amit Malviya says that aap MLA Amanatullah Khan's son booked. Tujhe pata hai mera baap kaun hai? Was the response when the police nabbed in? Ye hai aapke आपदा के गुंडे. Now, अपने विधायक के बेटे की करतूत पर कुछ बोलेंगे क्या अरविंद केजरीवाल? Straight questions now that have been shot at Arvind Kejriwal, saying that if he has anything to say on his own leader's son and the way that he conducted or behaved with the police.
Aapda ke gunde, that's the jibe the BJP has taken. Viewers, I was also telling you earlier about a BJP reaction. Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP has also spoken out. Listen in.
का मतलब आपराधिक अराजक पार्टी तो है ही, पर एपी का मतलब है अमानतुल्लाह का आपराधिक अराजक पुत्र भी. जिस प्रकार से अमानतुल्लाह खान का पुत्र, जिसकी पहले भी चर्चा सामने आई है कि पेट्रोल पंप अटेंडेंट के साथ कैसे उसने हाथापाई, धक्का मुक्की वो सब किया था, अब पुलिस वालों के साथ भी बदतमीजी, गाड़ी रॉन्ग साइड से चलाना, बुलेट को मॉडिफाइड साइलेंसर लगाना, जिगजैग गाड़ी चलाना, और जब पुलिस वाले पकड़े तो पुलिस वालों से बदतमीजी करना और बोलना कि मेरा बाप कौन है जानते हो. जब आईडी, लाइसेंस, आरसी पूछा जाए, अपने आप को कानून के ऊपर समझना. अब इस पर कार्रवाई भी हुई है, परंतु ये मानसिकता दर्शाता है. स्वराज से शराब तक, अन्ना से लालू तक, झाड़.
All right, viewers, let's once again take a look at that entire sequence. VVIP, high-handedness, arrogance caught on camera, an AAP MLA's son misbehaving with the Delhi cops. Take a look at that sequence and then we'll go across to Priyank for more on the same.
के तहत आप मेरे को गिरफ्तार कर रहे हो, मेरे को गिरफ्तार कर रहे हो, मोटर व्हीकल एक्ट के तहत मेरे को गिरफ्तार कर रहे हो. ये बताओ, चालान करूंगा मोटर व्हीकल चालान के खिलाफ. आप मेरे को गिरफ्तार, मैं कह रहा हूँ मैं नहीं रहूंगा. मत जाओ, नहीं जा रहे ना? हाँ, नहीं जा रहे ना? ठीक है, बाइक ले जा रहा हूँ. बाइक ले भाई, बाइक ले. तो आप मेरे को पहले यहीं पे मेरे को एक रिसीविंग दो. मैं एसएचओ साहब बना ले, थाने साहब बताओ. तू चल लेना, मैं अपनी लाइबिलिटी. आप बना बोलो. हाँ, मैं बना रहा हूँ वीडियो. तू लेके आप मेरे को ये बोलो. मैं अपनी लाइबिलिटी पे ये बाइक सीज कर रहा हूँ. मैं सीज कर रहा हूँ. मैं सीज करूँगा. सीज वहाँ पर चल. मैं सीज करके.
In fact, my colleague Amita is also live with us. Amita, over to you. Take us through the case diary, more details really which are emerging on the same.
Right. So this incident, Meenakshi, that has now been pointed out as far as the district Southeast Delhi Jamia Nagar, saying that इस समय अंकित है कि ASI SHO जामिया नगर के स्टाफ के साथ रिपब्लिक डे के मद्देनजर रखते हुए एरिया पेट्रोलिंग करते हुए स्टाफ के साथ जो नफीस रोड बाटला हाउस पर पहुंचे, सामने एक मोटरसाइकिल बुलेट पर सवार दो लड़के रॉन्ग साइड और साइकिल मॉडिफायर साइलेंसर से तेज आवाज में करते हुए, जिगजैग करते हुए, ड्राइव करते हुए नजर आए और स्टाफ ने मदद से काबू पाया और ये चेक किया गया, जिसमें मोटरसाइकिल साइलेंसर को मॉडिफाई करवा कर रखा हुआ था, जिसका नंबर इज ऑल्सो मेंशन्ड. हाउएवर इट गोज ऑन टू से कि और क्या हो गया और मेरी मोटरसाइकिल है इसलिए पकड़ लिया है. ये आम आदमी पार्टी के चिन्ह देखकर रोकी गई थी और वो बदतमीजी करने लगा. एंड व्हाट इज बीइंग हाईलाइटेड सो फार इन दिस केस डायरी, सेइंग दैट एज फार एज द बिहेवियर और द कंडक्ट ऑफ द एमएलए सन इज कंसर्न, सेइंग कि मैं यहाँ के एमएलए अमानतुल्लाह खान का बेटा हूं और तुम ऐसे कैसे चालान कर सकते हो, और अपने पिताजी को उन्होंने फोन मिला दिया. सो दिस इज एज फार एज द केस डायरी इज कंसर्न. सीरियसली व्हेन इट कम्स टू द VVIP mindset of this arrogance on a display, here is saying कि पुलिस के साथ भी बदतमीजी से बात की गई. So this is the context that we are putting on exactly what happened on the day when the bullet was seen.
And that gives us a context really into this entire incident. Obviously, as you saw, viewers on camera, and MLA's son misbehaving with the Delhi cops, threatening the police simply because they did their duty. They booked him for using a modified silencer, which is not allowed. And when he was stopped by the cops, he hit out at them, flaunted his MLA son's status. That's led to obviously a massive war of words. We'll keep an eye on this story through the course of the day. As of now, we're slipping into a short commercial break.